Embrace change in your business. Life is constant change, sabi nga ni Jose Marichan, at tama siya. Lalo na sa business. New trends, technologies, challenges, competitors, Gen Z customers. Nakakalito na, di ba? Sa dami ng pangyayari. Exciting na at overwhelming pa. Alam mo anak, tandaan mo to. Number 1, tanggapin mo na ang change ay constant. Kaya pagtanggap mo na yan, hindi ka na magugulat dahil lagi kang handa. Talk to your customers, your suppliers, attend trade fairs, magbasa, and be always informed sa mga bagong ganap sa mundo. And accept that all these will affect you. And when you are updated, it will be easier to flex with the changes. Number 2, alamin at recognize ang 4 stages of change. Bawat change, good or bad change man, ito ay dumadaan sa 4 na stages. Stage 1 is denial. Dito hindi natin pinapansin na merong changes na nangyayari pero nag-uumpisa na to. We need to be aware. Stage 2 is resistance. Dito naman naiinis tayo, galit tayo or nilalabanan natin. We need to be more open. Stage 3 is exploration. Dito, tanggap na natin yung change at sobra naman ang pagpaplano natin. We need to learn how to prioritize. And stage 4 is commitment. Dito, nakapag-adapt na tayo sa change at nag-level up ng ating business. Especially if we are business-minded Pinoy.